Jack is a former pupil of Bishopston Comprehensive School who is now at Olchfa. He has only been running since the age of 14 after putting in an excellent performance during the Swansea Schools competition. Some of his achievements include winner of the Euro Lotto Cross Cup in Brussels, British Inter-Counties Champion Under 17, Schools International Cross Country Champion and gold medal winner at the Welsh Inter-Counties Championship, and was part of the Under 20 Great Britain squad to compete in Edinburgh. Rhys has been a member of Swansea Harriers for 3 years and has competed around the UK for the club. However, this year has been an exceptional year for Rhys. In every competition he has entered for Swansea Harriers, he's gained first place in both discus and shot. Out of the whole season, Rhys only missed one competition. This year he competed in the Welsh Athletic Championships, where he was crowned Welsh Athletic Champion for discus and shot in the under 15 category. James has been playing football since the age of 6. He's a great all-rounder in sport and currently plays football for West End under 15s and Swansea Schoolboys under 15s. He's also an excellent rugby player, currently playing for Swansea Uplands and Swansea Schoolboy under 15s. James also runs for the Swansea Harriers after being spotted at the school's athletics meeting in Swansea. After 3 races, he became Welsh champion in the 300 metres. He's had a fantastic year in sport this year, including being crowned Welsh Athletics 300 metre champion and representing Wales in football at the school's championships in Scotland. Oscar is a 9-year-old boy who has excelled in the sport of gymnastics. He trains approximately 20 hours per week under the direction of personal coach Adam Perman. Oscar has become the #1 under 10 gymnast in Wales in his 2nd year of competition and #3 in Great Britain. Over the past 12 months, Oscar has achieved an exceptional level of performance despite his young age. Included in his many achievements is being crowned the 2013 Welsh Gymnastics Most Prominent Gymnast Award for Men's Artistic. Holly started gymnastics at the age of 3 as she had endless amounts of energy. She then went into general classes at the age of 4, then progressed to squad level. Her talent was spotted by Natalie Lucid Jenkins, a former Commonwealth gymnast, and Holly is now part of the Welsh squad and has just been selected for the British Gymnastic Elite Squad. She's trained by Natalie for 20 to 25 hours a week. Lowry is currently the under 19 British Schools Tumbling Champion, the Welsh age 14 to 15 Tumbling Champion, and the Welsh Sports Acro Women's Group 12 to 18s Champion. Lowry has been a gymnast from the age of 5 and has achieved great results despite having a potential career-stopping break to her elbow when she was 7. She has competed in artistic gymnastics as well as tumbling and sports acrobatics. She is an active member of West Street's Gymnastics Club, where she trains for 15 hours a week. She is a loyal and enthusiastic club member and also coaches for the club on a Friday night and Saturday morning. Olivia has an outstanding list of achievements to her name in an array of sports. It's amazing and a credit to her that she manages to maintain so many of them to such a high standard. Her commitment to training at any level from Welsh squad to school training is exceptional, and she frequently assists with younger pupils developing their skills, knowledge and inspiring them to participate and achieve. Olivia will often train for different sports within the same evening on top of school clubs. The number of hours dedicated is probably too many to count. She is a worthy role model to other athletes and sportspersons and is the UK Under 17 Cross Challenge Champion.